Step 1. Unload the filament. Wait for the temperature to cool down. Step 2. Hold the tube fitting. This black component is the tube fitting. Press both ends of the tube fitting to remove the filament tube. Step 3. Use a 2 mm wrench to loosen the screw of the hot end. Use a 2 mm L wrench to loosen this screw and open the cover. Use a 2.5 mm L wrench to loosen these 4 screws. Unplug this connector and remove the fan.
Remove the hotend. The tube fitting may be slightly tight, so use a wrench or vise to loosen and unscrew it. Next, detach the aluminum heatsink block. Take note of the hotend set screw stay should be facing you at the bottom, with the proximity sensor position on the right. Install and securely tighten the tube fitting.
Tighten the screws back into place. Tighten the screw and plug in the connector. Step 5. Insert the filament tube, ensuring it goes in fully approximately 6 cm deep. Step 6. Readjust the Z offset. Please check the video for adjusting the Z offset.